Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this perspective image in Canva in a few easy steps. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already created a new project, inserted same billboard, and added a kind of image. But of course, if I try to fit, because this is not a mock-up, this is just an image, so somehow we need to fit this distort image, the other one. So there's a pretty easy, very nice application, this Distortly. I just opened the application, it's free. So first we need to upload both images. And I can make it a bit bigger, this one, yes, and click on free, so I can moving the squares of the image. I mean, not the squares, sorry, the corners. And I try to fit as much as possible. Like this, and save. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but if I click on edit, no, I cannot edit anymore, sorry. So I was expecting if I can still edit like this, but it's not working anymore. Now I can but still edit a bit, but this is not perfect. So I can, so this one not perfectly done, so I need to do it again. So I need to insert the same image again to here. So select the image, free, and moving the corners where I want. Unfortunately, the problem is those circles are really hiding the corners, what we would like to see actually. No, I think it's good. So save. Now it's way better what was before. As you can see, now this no matter right side is not perfect, so I didn't pay really attention, and also the left top. So that's not easy to do it, but that's a very nice way to create our own. This is where I said the problems with this circles in the corner hiding, so that would be nicer if it's something is more user friendly and we can see what we are doing perfectly, not just estimate. But still it's good, because as you can see in the other one I made a really good job. So here I made a really nice perspective job on this one. Well, this one, this orange was already inserted to this, the other one. So this image was the one what I inserted to the other billboard. But as you can see, it was really nicely done. I don't know why it was unable to do it properly. Maybe I do it third time also. So just adding in this image again, increasing the size a bit, so 3, and I try to do it in a better way. Or it's really would be perfect if you have a preview button and we can really see what we are doing, but I think now it's really good. Unless this corner again. So yeah, that's now it's, I don't know why now when I'm doing this video, I'm unable to do it properly. But as you can see in another one, I made it actually in the first try and I was already have the perfect image what I want. Sorry, but now it doesn't work for me properly. But as you can see, this is a technique. This is how we can do it. Actually, the application is good. Hope so will be some upgrades on this preview button, or maybe we can see some transparency on these circles and we can see really what we are doing. But other than this application is good, or maybe also an edit function where you can see what we did wrongly and then we can move it, correcting it slightly. So that will be also a nice upgrade for this feature. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm, our best friend. And let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And also, if you have any question about Canva or struggling something with Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find short form Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.